Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TimeIT Investort. As you can see from our thumbnail, Nifty we are expecting 200 points gap down due to 25% tariff implementation by Trump. Okay, so starting 1st of August. So on the similar line, Infosys, SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Dr. Reddy's ADR also down almost 1.5% to 4% each. सो लेट्स क्विकली सी व्हाट विल द इम्पैक्ट ऑन आवर इंडियन मार्केट. हम लोग देखेंगे इसका क्या इम्पैक्ट रहेगा हमें मार्केट पर और कल मेरी क्या ट्रेडिंग पोजीशन थी और कल कैसा ट्रेड रहा. ओके, before we proceed to the next point guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. All right, let's quickly start with levels. So guys, yesterday हमने डिस्कस किया था this nifty levels. Okay, that market I'm expecting to remain between 24,900 to 24,700 और मार्केट यही रेंज के अंदर कल मार्केट था. So I was expecting this to be in trade to be a range bound. Reason for that, आज एक्सपायरी है निफ्टी की और मंथली एक्सपायरी भी है. So I think बड़े मूव्स I think हम लोग आज देख पाएंगे on the expiry side. So how to trade for tomorrow today? So I think guys, since हमको gap down expectation है, okay, we will not directly jump in because we can be also seeing the short covering. मतलब gap down होगा जैसे 24,600 के आसपास होगा, and if short covering comes, market can again start rising to 24,700 750. Okay, and that will be the point of entry, okay, towards the bearish side. So like I mentioned earlier as well, जब तक कि हमारा मार्केट 25,220 लेवल ब्रेकअप नहीं करता है towards the upward side, we are not in the bullish side. Okay, we are still into the bearish zone. So accordingly I will plan my trade for today. So I do have the current position open with the modified bear condor as discussed yesterday. On the LNT side guys, I think we made a loss of around 25k. So I think we were trying to maintain the iron condor, like in due to this result expectation, okay, analysis, which I was expecting market to remain range bound for LNT, but I think it zoomed in around 4.5% during the gap up only. So due to which my MTM loss was around 25k. But let's see how my July month profit will end up. Okay, so like we did last month, I will be also sharing my July month trading book. Okay, and then we will know whether we will be in profit net to net or whether we will be in the loss. Okay, it's a good learning for me as well guys. I think next time onward I will, as expected, I will continue to avoid option in stocks. Okay, and especially during the quarterly result days. Okay, let's quickly check with our global parameters. Alright, so as expected guys, ICICI Bank ADR is negative 1.5%, SDFC Bank ADR 1.3%, Infosys ADR 1.5%, dollar index is around 100 over here. So guys, from last couple of days I have been telling you that if dollar index is near 100, then it is not good for market and we can expect further downside. Okay, and if you see the Brent oil is also 72.34 dollars. USD has also increased. Okay, and okay, so guys, overall I think global scenario is not good for us. Okay, even the crude oil WTI is also around $70. So that net I think all the parameters, global parameters, also pointing towards negative side. Okay, and especially for our Indian market. Okay, let's quickly see our swing trade. So swing trade, I think TCS, I think 3053, it's still not at my level of buying. CDSL, I think I can check if it can further fall down to 1450. Dr. Reddy Lab, I think आज 4.5% नीचे open होता है, और if it comes around 1230, then I will be entering the trade of swing trade only, not the options. Then last and turbo, I think I have booked a profit around 3665, around 4.5% profit. But the loss which I have made into the option, that will not compensate for the profit which I booked in the swing trade. Hardly I think couple of $1,000 in the swing trade profit guys. Okay, around invested around 50-70k, and over that 4% profit has been booked. On the cam side, I think it's around my buying level. I will further wait for the price action. If it reaches around 3,850, it's a good buy for me. Adani Power again is too costly for me. If around 550 it comes in, it is again a good buy for me. Okay, so I think that's it from my side, guys, today. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the evening. Bye bye.